forgotten. You are of the trees whose roots run deep. You are of the seas whose waves ebb and flow. You are known now, and you've never been alone, alone. You are known now, and you've never been alone, alone. You are of the wind, spreading seeds of life everywhere. You are of the sun, bringing light to dark places. You are the voice of all of your ancestors' dreams. You are the victory of all of your ancestors' struggles. You are known now, and you've never been alone, alone. You are known now, and you've never been alone, alone. You are the masterpiece of all your ancestors' artistry. You don't need to wonder. You are lightning and thunder, and